All right, today I'm in the Jasmine move-in ready home in Stone Creek of Owasso, and I've got some really exciting stuff to share with you. I got three main things I want to tell you that you might not recognize about this plan if you just walk through it. And then at the end, I want to tell you about a way that you can save up to $70,000 in payments off of this home. You heard me right. Stay tuned until the end and I'll give you all the details. Ladies, you've told us that you want more storage space. Well, if you want more storage space, you're in the right home in this Jasmine. Not only do you have a coat closet when you come in here from the garage that's right here, but on top of that, you also have this mud bench with all of this storage and cubbies underneath. And then right across on this side, you've got this massive double door pantry with tons of shelving. I mean, you are going to be able to store all the stuff you ever wanted to store when you get into this home. And right behind the camera here is where the kitchen is, so it's all easily accessible right when you come in at the end of the day. Cool space. All right, and number two on that list of stuff that's so cool about this floor plan is down this hallway off of the main entry here, you've got not just one, not just two, but 3 bedrooms for the kids. And then right here, you've got the laundry. I like to call this feature the no excuses laundry. It is literally like 5 steps from any of these 3 bedrooms to get for the kids to get their laundry into the laundry room. And then right on the other side of that laundry room, there's a door. You go through that door and that's the master closet. So nobody has more than 5 steps to take to get laundry into the laundry room. This is the no excuses plan. All right, and the third thing I want to tell you about on this plan is something that I think is really cool. Not only does this have the master suite with the snooze button built in that you've probably seen on some of our other videos, but on top of that, the cool thing about this is the way we designed this. You can walk from this master bedroom through the master closet and into any of the 3 bedrooms right on the other side of that door of that laundry room. So if you've got the newborn in the home or you've got young kids and they're crying at night, mom and dad are going to be able to hear them and go take care of them really quickly. So if you got a nursery in the home or if you just have a kid that tends to get up or cry in the middle of the night, it's quick access to them, but yet at the same time you can close these doors and lock them and keep them away at the same time. So that's my third feature on this home. And last but not least, let's talk about the money. Right now, Shaw Homes is running the largest incentive we've had in the 35+ year history of our company. So this is the time. There is not a single builder anywhere in the state that can give you a better rate for your interest rate. We are buying down interest rates with a $30,000 incentive on this home. So not only are we going to get you the best rate in the market, it's going to make the payment on this home be similar to that of a home that is $70,000 below the price of this home. You heard me right. Whether you're buying a used home, a new home, no matter what, you will get the best interest rate in the entire state right here at Shaw Homes. And not only that, on top of it, we're going to pay your closing costs with whatever's left over in that incentive after we buy down the rate. So that means you're going to have the least cash out of pocket when purchasing. So call us today. Let's get you in to take a look at this home or any one of our other move-in ready homes so you can take advantage of that incredible incentive. Call us today.